Good day, my friend. In this video I will show you the difference between call, apply and bind in JavaScript. Let's start from an example. We have a function print and two objects with the same property A. For example, we want to print property from our objects using the function print. Now, if we call print function, result will be undefined. Why it's happening? In JS we have such a thing like a context. In plain English, the context is something that calls the function. We can get access to the context using the word this. When we use this in print, we use global context. Global context knew nothing about property A and it returns undefined. If we changed a context that has the property for function print, we would get another result. We can change contexts using methods call, apply and bind. And now I will show you how we can do it. Let's start from method call. If we do next, as you can see, now the function print values 1 and 2 in the console. It happened because we had changed the context of our function print using the methods call. And now when we use this word in our functions, this is referred to object that has been used by us in our method call. Apply is similar to call. The difference is with the way we send the arguments. Let's create a new function, print2. If, for example, we want to use call for this, we would do it next way. In this expression, the first argument is our object, our new context, and the two other arguments are variables. We can use apply to get same results. We have only one difference between these two methods. Apply uses array to send the arguments to the function. And now, as you can see, we have the same results in both these cases. When we use call and apply, we modify the context and invoke the function immediately. But in some cases, we have to modify the context now, but call function later. In these cases, we can use bind. Bind returns a function that, when later executed, will have the correct context. For example, we have new variable print3, and this variable is equal print2 bind and our object between parentheses. As you can see, nothing has been changed in the console because we haven't called our function print3. Now, if we call our function and we send two arguments in our function, we will get same result as in previous examples when we use methods call and apply. Again, about this example, we created new variable print3. After that, we called method bind in our function print2. The context was set as object, and after that our method bind returned new function that was stored in our variable print3. And after that we called our variable print3 with necessary arguments, and we got same results as in previous example. Method bind often is used in events. That's all about this topic for today. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment below. I wish you a good day. Bye.